This is another quick and dirty demo of how I set up Node Red and a Raspberry Pi to control an SMC Gripper. This unit right here. The original controller was busted, so I am using a Raspberry Pi and an A4988 motor driver set up in this configuration to drive it open and close when I use Node Red to send the commands. So I will send it a 1 to turn it on. We'll set the direction to close. When I hit go, I will send a trigger to the output pin on the Raspberry Pi to send a 50% duty cycle at 200 Hertz. And let me get that right there, and here we go. And we are pretty close. Close enough right now with no limit switches or encoders hooked up. I'm going to set the direction to open. Then I'm going to send the exact same triggers again to get it to open. Not too shabby. Alright, so I'll continue working on this so I can get some limit control, hopefully, so we do not exceed the travel on the gripper and damage the motor inside. Until then, sails up.